Here I come again with another lesson on learning to speak, read and write Urdu. And this lesson is especially related with our Independence Day. We are just going to learn one sentence today, and that is हम जिंदा कौम हैं. हम जिंदा कौम हैं. In English it is we are a living nation. We are a living nation. हम जिंदा कौम हैं. And when we break it into letters, then it is first word is hum, which in letter is hum, hey, and the short form of hey which joined with other letter is this. So this is hey meme hum. Hey meme hum. They join together. Hey and meme join together to make hum, which means we, W-E-V. And the second word is zinda, zinda. And here the letters that join together to make it is Z, noon, and when it joins, noon join with the other letter, the shape we use is this Z, noon, dal, he. And here it is Z, noon, dal, he. Zinda. Z, noon, dal, he. Z, noon, dal, he. Zinda. Zinda means living. हम जिंदा कौम. काफ वाओ मीम. काफ वाओ मीम कौम. काफ वाओ मीम कौम. कौम is nation. हम जिंदा कौम हैं. Hey, again this form of hey will join with other letter, and this is choti hai and this is the short form of choti hai. This will be used here. Hey choti hai nunna hai. Hey choti hai nunna hai. और हम जिंदा कौम हैं. हम जिंदा कौम हैं. We are a living nation. And here it is Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad, which in English means long live Pakistan. And we can break Pakistan into syllables or letters, that is alphabets. We can break Pakistan into alphabets, that is Pe, Alif, Pa, Kaf, Sin, Te, Alif, that is Kaf, Sin, Te and Alif, and then it is Noon. Pakistan, Zinda we have read here also, Zinda. Bad, Pakistan Zindabad, that is long live Pakistan. So this is a very short lesson for the Independence Day. A very happy Independence Day to all Pakistanis. See you in the next lesson.